And I admit I know very little about both dementia and Alzheimer. Parang, what's the difference between the two? Doon muna tayo.
Sige. Dementia kasi is an umbrella, sort of an umbrella of many conditions that lead to cognitive and behavioral problems. Ano ba yon? In lay terms, no, mostly what we understand about dementia is memory. Diba? May problema sa memory.
Nag-uulyanin.
There are many terms for that. Nag-uulyanin, makakalimutin. But beyond that, there are also some behavioral changes, psychological and emotional changes that occur in dementia. Now, Alzheimer's is one of the more common dementias. And Alzheimer's, however, there is a way of diagnosing it. The only way we can truly ascertain that a person has Alzheimer's is if we biopsy that person's brain and discover that there are plaques and tangles in the brain of that person, which we do not do that to diagnose. Diba? We just test. We just do some cognitive tests. We observe the behavior of the patient and see if there is some progression to affect eventually their activity of daily living or their ability to take care of themselves. So some of the other kinds of dementia aside from Alzheimer's are vascular dementia. Ngayon, ang vascular dementia, I think, is also becoming more common kasi ito yung there are small ischemic or blood flow problems in the small to big vessels inside the brain. So ang nangyayari, nagkakaroon ng tinatawag natin na mini strokes, no? Parang mini strokes. Over the years, they can accumulate and eventually be almost the same, the way it clinically presents to us, almost the same as Alzheimer's. Kasi nagiging makakalimutin din sila. No? Kasi madami ng areas sa brain ang hindi na maganda ang daloy ng dugo. No? There's also a combination of Alzheimer's and vascular dementia, or what we call the mixed type dementia, which we think we are encountering more now. No? And then there are also very many kinds of dementia, including the frontal lobe dementia, which manifests earlier, and it can have a familial or genetically predisposed families. And for frontotemporal types of dementia, usually behavior ang nauunang mag-iba. No? Mga pasyente ko, may mga pasyente ako, 50 years old pa lang. No? Behavior and personality change ang napapansin. Afterwards, it can progress to memory or cognitive changes. So madaming klase na dementia.